Hello, everybody. All right, so it's about midnight here in Minneapolis, and I decided to do a late night taste test. So I got a little late night snack here, but I'm gonna taste test it with some Hidden Valley Ranch Jalapeno Ranch. Now, this up here is the hot meter, so I think the 3 red chili peppers means that it's that hot. So I think. Um, well, anyway, so I got some here in a container. I got some wings, some wing dings. These are from Buffalo Wild Wings, or as I call it, B-dubs, popularly known as B-dubs. So got a wing there. These are buffalo, so they're my favorite. So here we go. Put some sauce on there. Bon appetit. Mmm. You got the creaminess from the ranch, but yet it's still spicy. The spiciness from the jalapeno. Oh, and of course, wings would not be complete without washing it down with a tall can of Miller Lite. Well, let's crack this baby open. Cheers, mates. Ah, yeah. Now that is good light beer. This is my go-to for light beers because this is a 16-ounce can. Let me see. I don't have my glasses on, but well, this is about 96 calories, and well, let me see. I can read it here somewhere. Well, it doesn't matter. It's low calorie, low carb, light beer. Well, I'm gonna enjoy these wings with the Hidden Valley Ranch, Jalapeno Ranch. All right, so then I'm gonna crash. So be well, be safe, and bless your heart. Until next time.